Welcome to NovaWire News. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Look up at the night sky. Most nights you'll see a familiar friend, the moon. It's not just a pretty light, it's Earth's anchor, our planet's stabilizer, and the reason life here is possible. The moon's gravity controls the tides, creating the rhythm of rising and falling oceans that shaped early life. It keeps Earth's tilt steady, giving us stable seasons, and a climate where complex life can thrive. Without the moon, our days would be shorter, our weather extreme, and our planet unstable. A spinning top wobbling through space. The moon's presence is why Earth is calm, stable, and full of life. But what if we changed it? What if, for one night, we swapped our moon for another planet? Let's embark on a cosmic thought experiment, replacing our moon one by one with the other planets of our solar system. We'll witness breathtaking sights and terrifying forces, a true adventure into gravity, light, and celestial mechanics. Prepare for a cosmic showdown right in our own backyard. We're about to see what happens when our quiet neighbor is replaced by gods and giants. Fasten your seatbelts. The show is about to begin. The moon is more than a rock. It's the reason our planet is so full of life. Let's see what happens when we take it away. Our experiment begins. The moon vanishes, and Mercury appears. Mercury is only slightly larger than our moon, but much denser, a heavy ball of iron. Its stronger gravity would make tides surge higher, reshaping coastlines and threatening coastal cities. Mercury spins slowly, so we'd see the same cratered face for months, but it's also the closest planet to the sun, with a surface hot enough to melt lead. At night, Mercury would reflect a faint, warm glow, disrupting Earth's climate. The extra heat would cause storms, droughts, and floods. Its gravity would tug on Earth's crust, triggering more earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Living with Mercury as our moon would be a constant battle. Stronger tides, altered climate, and geological chaos. From a distance it might look like our moon, but Mercury would be a far more dangerous companion. Even a small change in our sky can have massive consequences. The silent, cratered face of Mercury would be a warning of how chaotic our world could become. Our gentle lunar dance would become a tense tug-of-war. Mercury's presence would be a daily reminder of the moon's importance. The first stop on our cosmic tour shows, in space, density and temperature matter as much as size. Mercury is no friend to Earth. Now, let's swap Mercury for Venus. Venus is nearly Earth-size, so it would fill our sky, 15 times larger than a full moon. Covered in thick sulfuric acid clouds, it would shine as a brilliant yellowish-white orb. Venus reflects 75% of sunlight, turning night into a permanent, eerie twilight. Stars would vanish and nocturnal life would be thrown into chaos. Our own sleep would suffer under this celestial street lamp. Venus's gravity would create monstrous tides, towering walls of water that would submerge every coastal city. The planet's crust would be stretched and squeezed, causing constant earthquakes and eruptions. Earth's spin would slow, days would lengthen, and the heat from Venus would radiate toward us. Combined with the reflected sunlight, Earth's temperature would skyrocket. Our oceans would boil, and a runaway greenhouse effect would take hold. Earth would become a toxic, boiling twin of Venus. For a moment, Venus would be beautiful, then utterly terrifying. Life as we know it would end in a world of endless day and destruction. Venus is a nightmare in disguise. After Venus, Mars seems like a relief. Mars is half Earth's size, twice as massive as our moon, and would appear as a rusty red disk, twice as big as our full moon. We'd see its polar caps, volcanic plains, and dust storms, a dynamic world above us. Mars's gravity would double our tides, flooding low-lying coasts but not destroying the planet. The real risk: Mars might not stabilize Earth's tilt, leading to unpredictable, extreme seasons. Mars's tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, could be pulled from orbit, potentially crashing into Earth. Our sky would be bathed in a crimson glow, with new threats from above. Mars would be a beautiful but menacing companion, a constant reminder of our solar system's dangers. The gentle presence of our moon would be sorely missed. Mars would keep us on edge, forever watching its rusty face for trouble. Life would adapt, but anxiety would fill our nights. The red planet is no gentle neighbor. Mars brings beauty and risk. Now the main event, Jupiter replaces our moon. Jupiter would fill the sky from horizon to horizon, its swirling clouds and great red spot dominating day and night. Its gravity is over 300 times Earth's. Earth would become a moon of Jupiter, locked in a fatal embrace. Tidal forces would tear at our oceans and crust, generating immense heat. Earth would become a volcanic hell, life ending swiftly and violently. Jupiter's gravity would rip away our atmosphere and vaporize our oceans. Its radiation would sterilize the surface. For a brief moment we'd see Jupiter's moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, dancing across the sky. But the spectacle would be short-lived. Jupiter's presence is not a partnership, it's an execution. Earth would be destroyed, cooked from the inside and out. The king of planets demands submission. Our small, fragile world would not survive. After Jupiter, Saturn enters, elegant but deadly. Saturn would appear as a colossal pale yellow globe, its rings stretching across the sky in a shimmering arch. By day, the rings would shine, by night they'd turn darkness into twilight. The beauty would be unmatched, but so would the danger. Saturn's gravity, nearly 100 times Earth's, would cause catastrophic tsunamis and earthquakes. Earth would be torn apart. We'd orbit within Saturn's rings, bombarded by constant meteor showers. Larger chunks of ice and rock would strike the surface like nuclear bombs. The sky's beauty would be the source of our destruction. Earth would be shredded, its remains joining Saturn's rings. A new rocky ring would form, a silent memorial to our lost world. To distant observers it would be beautiful. For us it would be the end. Saturn's elegance hides utter devastation. Finally, the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus would appear as a pale blue-green sphere, its rings a vertical target in the sky. Neptune would be a deep blue marble, with storms swirling in its atmosphere. Both are beautiful, but their gravity would destroy Earth, immense tides, geological chaos, and a liquefied crust. The lesson: our solar system is full of wonders, but none could replace our moon. The relationship between planet and moon is a delicate, ancient dance. Earth and its moon are perfectly matched. Our moon is just the right size and distance to stabilize our world and nurture life. It creates gentle tides, holds our tilt steady, and gives us a calm, predictable world. Next time you look up, remember, the moon is our guardian, anchor, and partner. The planets are spectacular from afar, but we should be grateful they keep their distance. Our moon may seem simple, but it is perfect. It is the reason we are here, able to wonder about the stars. The moon is the silent hero in Earth's story.